All right, everybody. So me and my wife got the worst call a parent could ever have. Thank God that my son's all right, but he just got into a wreck on his motorcycle. Some lady cut everybody off at this light right here, and everybody slammed on their brakes. And he was on a motorcycle, so he couldn't brake that hard. But here's his motorcycle. Damn. That's nuts. Golly. So it all just started from some dumbass.
Oh yeah.
Wow. And of course that bitch probably went on just.
Oh yeah, the guy in the Mazda, he wasn't involved at all. He was the one that got cut off.
What, they pull in here?
I guess they turned right up there at the light.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the person that cut somebody off.
There's my son over there. He's okay. Man, dude, my heart, yeah. He's all right, baby. He's all right. He's fine. I know you. Goodness. Yeah, he's over there.
What happened?
Somebody cut everybody off, and everybody had to hit their brakes. And he hit the back of this guy's car and went flying over the car. But he's okay. He's fine. He's just got a little road rash. Everybody is fine. So, even Brandon. God, dude, that could have been so much worse. Fuck. Oh, God. Was he on the ground when he got here?
No, I mean, he literally, when he hit
Where's
that car.
that caused it all this?
Where's your bike? Right there? Okay, so you didn't hit nothing?
Right there at the light. So I had to hit my brakes.
I stayed calm. Brandon freaked out, dropped his bike. Well, he didn't drop it. It was crazy. He fell off of it. No shit. It rolled from this lane all the way to that sidewalk. I literally watched it ghost ride itself all the way over. And then it fell.
What did he do? Jump off of it?
Dude, I have no idea. I'm looking at Donald in the air, and then I look beside me, and Brandon's bike's just driving itself. I'm
Wow.
like, what the fuck?
This is our worst nightmare, man, to hit him on this bike. God, dude. Angel calls me and is like, Bubby got in a wreck on the highway on his bike. And I fucking flipped shit, dude. Like, what do you mean on the fucking highway?
We're right here by Jocko's.
She was like, oh, yeah, the highway, High Street. I'm like, that's not the fucking highway. There's a big difference. You know what I mean? You don't call your dad and say your brother got in a wreck on the highway on his motorcycle. That's like, might as well just told me my kid was dead. You know what I'm saying? Like, God, Angel, you have such bad wording. You know what I mean? Like, God, dude. Fuck, man. Could have been a lot worse. That's just, be thankful.
Fucked, though.
Oh, yeah. But he's got insurance. Does he got full coverage? Does he? Well, it's going to get fixed then.
Yeah, I wasn't worried about the bike. When I looked
Yeah.
back, it's all flying over my
Fuck
car.
yeah, I wasn't worried about the bikes. It was least of my worries.
I didn't think about my car. I'm like, oh, fuck.
Hey, Donald got right up. I was fucking stunned. I was like, holy shit.
Well, you know he's a beast. Yeah, I mean, anyway, he's a monster. It's my son's. He's over there with the other officer. This right here. Yeah, that was the rear end, yeah. Woo, fuck. There's my son right there facing us, sitting down, guys. He's fine. He's got a little road rash. But, yeah, my boy's a beast, man. He's a monster, guys. Man, oh, man. Yeah, I can try. Hey, Quincy, come here and hold this. Don't shut it off, though. Just hold on to it right there. I gotta move it. Don't twist the button.
I have no idea. They're still talking to him. Okay. Yeah, Donald's dad's here. He's got a little pickup truck. We might be able to squeeze his bike in there. I don't know.
Damn, it barely even hurt his car. Wow. Look at that, guys. Barely hurt the car. Damn, thank God. Damn, it barely even hurt your car. It barely did anything.
Knocked the bumper, maybe.
Yeah, it did do that.
Clips.
Yeah. Probably broke the clips on it.
Like I said, this will get fixed. I don't care. When I saw him flying in the back of my car,
Right, yeah. Golly.
I was telling him I got but my
That
front
car will
bumper. I
get
still need to
fixed.
fix.
My
Somebody
son wouldn't
backed into
have.
me last week at a gas station, so my front's all messed up. So
Oh, wow,
damn.
that's fucked up.
I'm not worried about the car.
Watch out. Come this way.
Right, the car will get fixed.
Right.
Oh, somebody did this to you? Somebody just hit our car
Somebody
too.
me at a gas station last week.
Somebody just did it in front of our house. Took our wiped the side of our car out, and broke our mirror off, and kept on going like an asshole.
He was in a big black truck and almost there from the bedroom.
Oh man, dude. Me and my wife's heart sank, guys. But yeah, my daughter calls me and tells me that my son was just in a motorcycle accident on the highway. Yeah, that's what she meant. She meant high street. This is high street, but said highway. And you know, what the fuck? You know, you don't walk away from a fucking wreck on the highway on a motorcycle. God, dude. Fuck, God. He must not have been. They must not have been going that fast.
Go ahead and leave, and I'll just ride with you.
Lord have mercy. Damn. Lord have mercy. I can't believe it started. I mean, I guess it would. Why wouldn't it? I guess. I mean, it really didn't even hurt it that bad. Just the front forks are mangled, and the handlebars just need loosened and brought back up. Yeah, don't even look like it hurt the rim, actually. Well, I guess it's a good thing he's got full coverage insurance. It'll get fixed. He's been wanting a Harley anyway, because I got one. But man, oh man, I don't want him to have a motorcycle at all. You know, cross the street. There's my dumb daughter. There's my dumb daughter. Your son just got on a wreck on a highway.
He did. Is this not a fucking highway?
No, this is high street.
Well, so what?
There's a difference. You don't walk away from a highway wreck
So
on a motorcycle.
what happened?
I got
Some stupid ass cut everybody off up there. Everybody hit their brakes and they didn't have
Cut
time.
everybody off, and
They didn't have time to stop.
Everybody in front of them hit their brakes, and then Bob and them didn't have time, and Bob hit the back of this and flew over his car.
And Brandon just jumped off of his bike and it rolled all the way across the street.
Donald shouldn't have to pay him.
Well, yeah, he
That
should
bitch-
because
Well, no, he shouldn't.
that bitch is
It
gone.
don't matter. They need to find her.
That's why they got
They're gonna
insurance.
get him for uninsured distance, because that's what happens.
That's,
Yeah,
when you
that's
do
that's-
bullshit.
Well, it don't
That's
matter.
what happened to me with some motherfucker.
Okay, I know, but it's not anybody
Bullshit.
here's
It
fault.
don't matter. It shouldn't have.
The person the person's fault that it is left.
Shouldn't be Donald's fault.
Well, it is. Anytime you send somebody, it's your fault.
Yeah, well, somebody shouldn't be slamming on their brakes.
Well, it's not their fault. She's a dumb one. That's my kid. She don't get it. When one person,
Thing that happened with me.
Yeah.
Let's do fucking 35 miles an hour and then slam on our motherfucking brakes.
okay, well, guess what? When everybody in front of you slamming brakes, you got to slam yours too, right?
No, when somebody's on a motorcycle, it's harder for them to stop.
Okay, well, there's nothing the people in front of him could do,
He fucking rear-ended.
huh?
Why did he rear-end it?
Because everybody stopped. Everybody, okay, somebody cut them all off. Everybody in the line slammed on their brakes, and Donald and Bubby didn't in time. Nobody here, it's nobody here's fault.
Don't turn your car off.
It's nobody here's
I
fault.
was sitting here trying to call you back, and then I heard you talking, and I thought you
Everybody's fault. Everybody.
Where's the lady that cut him
took off, gone.
Nobody got her fucking license
No,
plate?
of course not. We don't know.
What kind of car was it?
He don't know. They were all way back here.
The thing is, it's
They were
gonna
all
be
way back
my
here.
fault if I ask in somebody.
Yeah,
it's always
absolutely.
that person's fault.
Right. That's what
not true.
Angel. Yeah, it is.
No?
Yes, it is.
Kayla, our
Nobody
Angel, we
knows.
don't know.
They're way back here. It was all the way up here at the light.
They just cut a bunch of people off and everyone's
Are you
No,
okay?
Bubby's got insurance, so it's fine.
Yeah, I've got insurance and I've got my temps and everything.
Bubby he's road rash to hell and
Dude, I
back.
would have fucking followed that lady.
I can't follow nobody.
Look at his bike. He can't follow nobody.
My bike is totaled out.
Your bike ain't totaled out. Yeah.
Oh no, they're gonna. My insurance will total that. My forks are bent
Oh,
out.
I know. Oh, I
That
know.
right there.
Your mom freaked the fuck out pulling up, man. This is why we don't want you on a motorcycle.
Oh, they wrecked on the highway.
That's what Angel told me.
I know because she's an idiot.
I know. I about had a heart attack.
High Street. Now you know how I
But
feel.
my kids
when
are
you-
a bunch of
Shut up.
fucking retards.
I had a heart
Kayla
attack,
yelling
man.
at me,
Now you guys
kids
know how
go
I
up
feel.
on me.
Like Kaya fell off and busted her head and has to go to the
I
hospital
know.
because she's dying.
I know. I was like, oh my God.
That and
Have you
plus,
called your girl and told her
The
anything?
kids and
Okay.
Kayla going yelling at me. Oh, you're the highway, blah blah blah.
Yeah,
I meant to say High Street.
No, you're on the high street, the same thing.
You people don't walk. The difference is, Angel, people don't walk away from a highway wreck on a
They don't
motorcycle.
always walk away from this.
Yeah, right. Bubby was very, very lucky. Very
This
lucky.
pisses me off.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Everything's good. Thank God that it's all good. Y'all be cool.